Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be finishing up some towels. Let's get into it. If you watched my video from I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, I went ahead and finished up all of these towels. That video has done really well. You guys have really loved it. So today we're going to be doing the last step. I went ahead and already ironed all these guys, folded them in thirds. They're in packs of 8. So the last step is to use the Barb gun. So these are the Barbs. I like using the smaller ones rather than the bigger ones. These are the big ones. So that has like this sharp needle here, and you just push through till it's on the other side. You pull the trigger on the gun. I like to push the barb down so I know it goes through. Of course, that's a dud. This one, stupid. Okay, let's try this again. What is going on here? Let me just go with a fresh set. So how it works is, see how there's this slot right here? So these are the barbs. One side is different from the other. So the way that it is vertical like this, the plus, you just slide it on in there and it clicks in. You'll just go ahead and, oh, this is what I'm looking at. See that hole right there? That's where the barb comes through. I don't know if you could see it, but hold the fabric taut. Shoot it through. Oh my gosh. Well, that has never happened before. Alrighty, how did I manage to do that? One moment. Okay, let's try that again. And I promise you, I have never had this much difficulty. Alrighty. Just push it through the fabric, press the gun, and then you pull it out like that. Okay, not sure why that was so complicated. So anyway, so now all these pieces are stuck together, and because the barb is shorter, it's not droopy. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a 30-minute challenge. I'm going to try and complete both of these baskets. They are stacked 3 deep, so you math people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 times 6. So what, about 54 sets, around 50 sets. I'm gonna do 30-minute timer. So I would have to have like, so if it was 60, that would be what, 30 seconds each. I'm not sure if I could do it that fast. I think it's gonna take me an hour to do all of these, but that wouldn't be a challenge if it wasn't easy. And then for these guys here, I don't know. I'll do those 2 together. I'm in the kitchen and I have a timer on the microwave. I set it for, I think 38 minutes. So I have time to film the pre, and then once it hits 30 minutes, I don't have to get back up. I just can see it at 30 minutes. So right now it's at 31:14. So I'm just waiting for it to go down. All right, so those 2 can be sets. I hate mix and matching sets. I don't know what to pick to go with each other because I personally do not like mix and match stuff. So what if the flowers go with the sloths? That's cute, flowers and the sloths. 1 second. My timer trick didn't really work because I got a phone call, so I had to restart the timer. We gotta wait 45 seconds now for it to start again. But I went ahead and made these sets of the mix and match. So we've got the tie-dye and the fishes, the cats and the flowers, sloth and flowers, grill stuff and wood, turtles and blue. And then, so like I didn't I don't have enough to do all of them because this is only 2 pieces and this is 4. So I will need to add some more to these, but that's fine. I can go ahead and do these. Okay, 15 seconds, guys. So we've got this all loaded up. How should I best do this? So I got my stack here. I wish I had another empty basket. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, I feel like an absolute beast. The timer is at 6 minutes and it was at 25 seconds and I am done. And we can't count the 2, the one that I did as an example or the one that's not a pack, but let me count how many there actually were. I'm wondering, like, maybe there weren't 60, I don't know, but I did that super fast. Look how red my chest is because I had to like push the gun like to get the pressure to get through the fabric all the way, because see, like, it doesn't go through all the way on some of them because it has to go through deep enough to where the barb comes out the other side. And I went through 2 1/4 barbs. This is what they look like when they're empty. But let me count how many there were. The final count for these 2 baskets here is, I already forgot. I think it was 56. 54 or 56, I don't remember now. So it was slightly off from 60, but still, to get them done in a half hour, that was great. If you guys ever struggle with a sewing or anything, this could apply to anything. This could be doing the dishes. If you ever struggle with trying to get a task done, set yourself a timer of something that is realistic but a challenge, and it like motivates you to get it done faster. I definitely could have taken an hour to get these done, but I got them done in, what did I say, 24 minutes? That's awesome, and I'm so proud of myself. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.